This is Canyon PD's Tip of the Day, where educators get tips, tricks, and ideas that serve, support, and inspire their students. And this is a quick Zoom tutorial. Here you can see that I am in the Zoom app interface. If you don't have it downloaded, don't worry. You can certainly do this from the web browser as well. If you have the join link, you can click the join button and join the Zoom meeting. If you have a link, you can copy and paste it into a web browser and it will take you directly to your Zoom meeting. Once you open your meeting, you will be brought to an interface that looks a little bit like this. Currently, you can see that I have Zany Zoomer and myself in this Zoom meeting. So here is how the Zoom works. You've got a mute or unmute button here. You have your video here, and we can stop that video, and now you just see Zany Zoomer and the CPD host. If you click on the video camera, your video will come back. Please be aware that we ask sometimes for the videos to be off so that it saves on bandwidth and makes the experience better for everyone as far as the internet is concerned. Up here to the top, you can see I'm currently in a gallery view. You can see both of us here in the meeting. If I click on the speaker view, then the speaker comes front and center. We're going to look at the participant tab. If I click on that tab, you can see all of the participants in the meeting. And if you click on the More button, you can rename yourself. If I rename, maybe I'll ask you to have a number in front of your name, and if I do, it's because as the facilitator, I want to be able to place you in a Zoom room for small group discussion in an easy manner. And so that's where you would rename yourself. There's another way to rename yourself, and that is up these three top dots to the top right of your camera, and you can rename yourself there. Always a couple of ways to do things in technology. Secondly, I'm going to look at the chat button. And if we click on the chat button, you can see here I've got my participant tab open and also my chat tab. I've said hello, I'm from GCU. Here is where you can say hello. You can type and talk, and this typing and talking allows you to be a part of the meeting without having your video or your audio on. So that's your chat button. And finally, your reactions. You have an applause, you have a thumbs up, and some other fun reactions here. Sometimes we'll ask you to give us a thumbs up, and that way we'll know if you've heard our next directive. This has been your Canyon PD Tip of the Day. I cannot wait to see you in a Zoom meeting, a professional development experience here with us. And until next time, continue to empower your students to fulfill their purpose.